Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to do another glamorous makeup tutorial. Yes. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a orange and yellow look that I kind of found on Google, because I kind of realised that, you know, if I want to kind of advance the makeup more or like get better at it, it's kind of the best thing for me to do is kind of just copy what's being done very well. But so if you're going to be hearing like, I know, like bangs and stuff, it's just it's really windy here in the UK, and my window literally likes to rock back and forth all the time because it's an old Victorian house, so we love that. So yeah, just getting that out there so you guys don't think someone's getting beaten in the background or something, I don't know. Without further ado, I've already done my foundation using the Revolution 75, and my eyeliner was NYX or whatever. Yeah, black matte, so yeah. Big and bold today, darlings, yes. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with this focus. I'm going to go in with this orange colour, orangey yellow shade up here. If I can get my long fingers out of the way. So this one, obviously with my Ultimate Matte 42 colour eyeshadow BH Cosmetics palette. Yeah, so let's just go and pop that on. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around the eye. I'm just going to go around the eye with that colour first. Right, so I've done that, guys. So what I'm going to do now quickly is I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm going to go and basically put some of that orange colour just under the eye, only a little bit. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with this brush, and I'm just going to make a cut crease with some foundation, probably about halfway, I would say. So let's get and do that. Right, so I've done that, my usual messy cut crease, so yeah, still improving on that. I'll wait for the camera to focus. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go in my Foil Eyes BH Cosmetics palette, yes. And I'm going to go in with this the lightest kind of shade I can get. This one. Because basically I went in with a matte white in Ultimate palette, and it was just really bad white. So I just like, I'm not even going to chance it, so I thought I'd just go in with a nice little shimmer. So let's do that. Yeah, so I don't know, for some reason it's not really showing, but I mean, we haven't finished it yet, so let's continue so it happens. Right, so I'm now, focus, gonna go in with this dark yellow shimmer shade here. So we're gonna go and put that on. Right, so I've done that, but I'm just gonna quickly go off camera and do some like finishing touches. I feel like it kind of just needs like doing up a little bit, if you know what I mean. Right, so all I did, I put some more yellow shimmer and a bit of more of the white one. Kind of made a bit of a difference, not too much. I went with the orange matte as well and just kind of went a bit more in to make a bit more of that cut crease. It's cute, I still like it. So anyway, we're not done yet. So I'm going to go in with a white waterliner under the eye. So let's go and do that. So I'm going to go in with a bit of the metallic yellow, and I'm just going to go under the eye and do a little bit of that. There we are. So you can see the white waterline kind of really makes a difference. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with the black eyeliner. I'm just going to go over it. So I've got a bit of fallout, and I probably should do a bit more foundation as well, to be fair. I've been putting my fingers everywhere. Right, let's do the eyeliner. Don't know what's going to happen, guys. I just felt like drawing on my face, so. The star and the moon. So I just used black waterliner and black eyeliner and white waterliner to kind of get some shadows going. Yeah, I thought this one was a bit more of a like fancy shape, but I was like, no, it's a moon. Please. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with a blush for this one. So I'm just going to go in with my matte palette. I'm going to go in with this shade here, like pinky reddy. I'm just going to use that as a blush, so let's do that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with highlights, but I'm not going to highlight the cheeks because the shapes, but I'm just going to do a bit of highlight there, so just below the brow. Yes, guys. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that. So I'm going to do my Unicorn Hearts palette, and I'm going to go in with the yellow shade. Yeah, so I like it now. I think it's cute. I wasn't sure of the eyeshadow at first, but you know, it's blended nicely and the shapes really add to it, so yeah, I'm very happy. Yes. So now, what should I do for lippy, or should I do one too? So I think I'm going to go in with a nude lippy, which is this random one I've got from, I think it's Revolution, and I don't really know what the colour is. PL01 is the only thing that's on there, so, and Smile with something. I'm just going to go and put this lippy on. Excuse-moi. Thank you. Not really sure this is my shade, but I'm going to go with it. So what I'm going to put a lip gloss over the top. So let's go with the Jeffree Star one, because the glitter pigmentation in these is very nice. Give it a galaxy kind of feel, I think. Oh, that looks a lot better. My lip gloss is popping, my lip gloss is cool. Right, so this look was completely random, completely made up. I went with the colour scheme because I found like a makeup look that I liked on the internet. But yeah, this is what happens on my channel, random shit. So, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you guys liked how the look turned out. So stick around for more wild videos. So like and subscribe for more, hit the bell notification to be notified when I put up a screen new video. Yes. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.